Hey my beauties, it's Miss Unique Beauty in the building, and I'm back with another video. So I'm just taking my hair down, and then I'm going to use a spray bottle mixed with a little bit of conditioner, and just spray my hair to just loosen it a little bit before I add any gel. Now I'm going to take my hard bristle brush and just comb my hair, brush my hair in an upward direction all the way around my head, just to get everything to go all in the same direction. Now I'm going to take my Alikay Naturals Hold It Styling Gel, and I'm just going to use this to slick everything all up. Now this gel right here right now, guys, this gel is a very thick gel, and this gel holds everything down for you. If you have 4C hair, this gel is for you. Trust and believe. Now I'm going to use my hard bristle brush and just brush everything all up towards the middle in the same direction, all the way around my head. Now because I have such really thick hair, I use an actual headband as my hair tie, just so I can get everything all up into one. And I was really tired at this point, my arms are just killing me. But bear with me, this style gonna be cute. I needed to take a breather after that. But look, y'all, I got me some hang time. See that? Right now, I'm going to split my ponytail into two and make two separate plaits. And then I'm going to use the rubber bands to, at the end of my plaits, to form an unravel. Don't mind me, guys. I just love being silly. So right here, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wrap these two hats into a bun, and then I'm going to use another rubber band to secure them down flat. Now I'm just taking my brush again just to smooth everything down. Now you're going to take the drawstring ponytail of your choice, and this is what we're going to use to complete our hairstyle. Now this drawstring pony right here, I created myself using kinky curly hair bundles from my website. If you're interested in knowing how I created this drawstring ponytail, just leave a comment down below and let me know. Now you're going to take the bobby pins in the color of your choice, and we're going to use them to tack down our drawstring ponytail to our buns. Now, since I don't have any combs in my drawstring ponytail, I actually use the bobby pins in the net of my drawstring ponytail, and then I secure it down to my head. Once I get the drawstring ponytail up there nice and secure, I pull on the string of my drawstring ponytail really tight and make sure that it's really secure. Then I take a bobby pin and I push it in between the string of my drawstring ponytail, and I wrap that around and tack that drawstring all the way around my ponytail until it's secure. Just like that. Then once you get it up there, you want to shake it out, fluff it up, position it how you want it until you get the desired look that you like. What I did here was I used a bobby pin to kind of tuck some of that hair backwards and use it as a buffer so that you can see the base of my drawstring ponytail, if that makes any sense. But watch and you'll see. Now I'm taking a comb and I'm just back combing to give my ponytail some volume. Now, if y'all know me or y'all gonna get to know me, I love me some big hair. So we gonna make this big and we gonna make it pop. This right here, y'all, Style Factor Edge Booster. This right here, y'all, is the business. This stuff right here is good. I use this on my edges and it keeps my edges down all day. Now this formula that I'm using seems to be one of their newer formulas. It's specifically for thick and coarse hair. And as y'all can see, I am almost done, and this is a big jar. So y'all know I had this for a minute. But this stuff right here will have your edges looking white. Now I'm going to take my small brush and I'm going to use this to slick my edges back and make them nice and smooth. I do want to say that this edge control does not make my hair turn white, because I know the original formula, when I was using that one, my edges would turn white. This one right here, my edges do not turn white at all. Now I'm just going to put some earrings on and just complete this look. This is a quick back to school natural hairstyle. Quick on the fly, takes literally less than 10 minutes to complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, my beauties!